Welcome back to my channel. This machine does not enter a room quietly. It arrives with presence, weight, and an unmistakable sense of authority. Under the bright, symmetrical lighting of a modern luxury showroom, the Mercedes-Benz Unimog stands tall, unapologetic, and completely indifferent to trends. While other vehicles rely on curves, gloss, and exaggeration to impress, the Unimog tells a different story, a story written in steel, torque, and decades of proven dominance. The polished white showroom floor reflects its massive tires and towering stance, emphasizing just how far this vehicle sits above the ordinary world. Every angle reveals purpose. Every bolt, panel, and joint feels engineered to survive where comfort ends. This is not a machine built for convenience. It is built for endurance. From the front, the unmistakable Mercedes-Benz emblem sits proudly at the center of a heavy-duty grille, framed by thick metal bumpers designed to absorb impact, protect vital components, and keep moving when others would stop. The headlights are recessed, guarded, and ready to pierce through darkness, dust storms, snowfields, or torrential rain. This is a face that has stared down nature and never blinked. The beige expedition-style Unimog tells a story of exploration and independence. Its warm, sand-toned body evokes images of endless deserts, remote valleys, and forgotten routes across the globe. The reinforced roof rack is not decorative, it's functional, designed to carry essential gear, spare fuel, recovery equipment, and survival tools for journeys that last weeks, not hours. The elevated snorkel intake rises confidently along the A-pillar, allowing the engine to breathe clean air even while crossing deep water or thick dust clouds. Move closer, and the industrial beauty becomes clearer. The paint is clean, but not flashy. The lines are sharp, but not aggressive for show. Everything exists because it needs to. Wide fender flares protect the body from debris while accommodating massive off-road tires that look ready to bite into any surface placed beneath them. These tires are not styled. They are selected for traction, durability, and trust. The white closed-body Unimog shifts the personality without changing the soul. Here, the rugged DNA meets refined utility. The bright white exterior reflects the showroom lights like a surgical instrument, precise, controlled, and confident. This version feels equally at home serving as a command vehicle, mobile base camp, or luxury expedition conversion. The enclosed rear cabin adds protection, storage, and adaptability while maintaining the same unstoppable mechanical foundation. Look beneath the body, and the legend reveals itself. Portal axles lift the drivetrain higher from the ground, giving the Unimog ground clearance that most vehicles can only dream of. This allows it to roll over rocks, logs, and obstacles that would immobilize conventional trucks instantly. The suspension system offers extraordinary articulation, keeping all four wheels planted and engaged even on severely uneven terrain. The flatbed configuration exposes the Unimog's raw mechanical honesty. You can see the heavy-duty frame, reinforced mounting points, and industrial-grade components that define its character. This is engineering meant to work endlessly, day after day, under load, under stress, and under extreme conditions. No shortcuts, no compromises. Step inside the cabin, and the philosophy remains unchanged. The interior is not about luxury in the traditional sense, it is about command, visibility, and control. The seating position is high, giving the driver a panoramic view of the surroundings, whether navigating narrow mountain trails or crowded urban environments. Controls are laid out logically, designed to be operated with gloves, in cold weather, or under pressure. Materials are tough, surfaces are durable, and everything feels built to last decades, not lease cycles. Yet comfort is not ignored. The cabin is surprisingly composed, insulated from vibration and noise, allowing long hours behind the wheel without fatigue. This is a workspace, a cockpit, and a refuge all in one. At the heart of the Unimog lies a high-torque diesel engine engineered for reliability rather than headline numbers. It doesn't chase speed, it delivers strength. Massive torque at low RPM allows precise crawling over technical terrain, pulling heavy loads, or climbing steep inclines without strain. Paired with advanced all-wheel drive, selectable differential locks, and specialized transmission ratios, the Unimog adapts instantly to whatever lies ahead. Mud, sand, snow, rock, flood, these are not obstacles. They are simply environments. What makes the Unimog truly special is not just its capability, but its reputation. Around the world, it serves in roles where failure is not an option. Emergency services rely on it. Military units trust it. Scientists, explorers, and engineers choose it for missions into the unknown. It is a vehicle that has earned respect, not demanded attention. And yet, here it stands, parked indoors, on a flawless white floor, surrounded by polished sports cars and luxury sedans. Somehow, it still dominates the space. Because real power doesn't shout. It stands quietly, waiting. This is not a lifestyle accessory. This is not a fashion statement. This is a tool of mastery. The Mercedes-Benz Unimog represents freedom without limits, strength without ego, and engineering without apology. It doesn't ask where the road ends, because for the Unimog, the road has never mattered. Mercedes-Benz Unimog. When the world ends, this is what keeps moving.